What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to unblock someone on Cash App. I will show you everything you will need to do. The first thing you will need to do is open Cash App on your phone. Once you're in the app, look at the top right corner and tap on your profile icon. Now scroll down until you see the privacy and security option. Tap on that to access your privacy settings. In your privacy settings, scroll down and look for the option that says blocked users. This will show a list of all the people you have blocked. To unblock someone, just tap on their name. A menu will pop up with the option to unblock them. Go ahead and tap on block. And just like that, you've successfully unblocked the person. Super simple, right? And before you go, here's a quick tip. After unblocking someone, you can immediately start sending and receiving payments with them again. So you do not need to re-add them if you have already added them. And that's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to hit that like button. And if you're new here, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Drop a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.